Hi everyone. Today we have Neha with us. She is Miraan's mother, and Miraan is currently learning coding and maths at Debe Learning. Let's hear from Neha about her experience and Miraan's learning journey at Debe Learning. Why did you choose online classes for Miraan?
Um, just ease of scheduling because I've got a younger child as well. So this way I can just have his class while I'm at home, while I can look after the younger one as well. And I've got good reviews from my sister-in-law who's used you guys.
Okay. Why did you choose Debe Learning specifically for your online coding and maths classes?
Yeah, so same, my sister-in-law who's actually based in the UK,
Hmm.
she had started this for her son who's about a year older than my son.
Okay.
And she was, saying it's really good, so I thought,
Hmm.
why not give it a try?
So, how is your and Miraan's experience till now with Debe Learning?
Yeah, really good. I think it's good that he's learning something new every time that there's a class, and then also every few classes that he has like a
Hmm.
revision of what he's learned, which I think is really good at just embedding it all. So the pace is just right, doesn't go too fast or too slow, like it still keeps him engaged.
Okay.
And yeah, he knows if there's any questions, anything he doesn't understand, he can always ask.
And
Yeah.
any changes you have seen in Miraan's maths and coding from like earlier stage?
His computer skills have become a lot more confident,
Okay.
compared to his like very first trial class to
Hmm.
now. Huge difference in how he's able to just move the mouse, click the mouse, all of that kind of thing. And
Hmm.
even with typing as well, he's getting a lot more confident. And with maths, I feel like mentally he can do things a lot quicker than what he could before.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So, any feedback about the teacher?
No, Sheetal's been really good. I like that it's the same teacher for both the classes because then
Hmm.
Miran kind of gets to know the one teacher better and she gets to know him because
Hmm.
he's still young, so he still wants to kind of play and she lets him have that fun time as well as still teach him, which is really good. Nah, she's been great.
Lovely. And any specific feedback about the program, about your journey till now?
No, I'm actually really happy with it so far. Yeah. And, if there's ever any concerns, I normally just ask Sheetal at the end of the class, ask the teacher, and she's very open to feedback as well.
If you want to rate Deb learning on a scale of 1 to 5, what would be your rating?
At this stage, definitely five. Yeah, from what
Okay.
I have come across so far. Yeah, we've been really happy with it. They've been really flexible with scheduling of the classes. If some
Hmm.
weekends we've got things on, they'll happily
Hmm.
change the timings. And that was another big reason I wanted to choose an online course, because it just gives us more flexibility.
Thank you so much for joining and giving your time.
No problem.